What's up? It's Dane. Welcome back to the Cupcake Jemma channel. We're not in any kind of studio kitchen today. We will be in the kitchen, my kitchen at home. But we're in one of my favorite places, Borough Market today, because I need to get some lemons for the lemon posset that we are going to make together. Yes, it's about to start raining, so we're gonna go in the market to find some beautiful lemons. Because you know, it's only 4 ingredients and we gotta get the best. It's so busy today in the market. Oysters? I don't like oysters. Mr. King's pies. I don't like pies. This is chaos. Paella. This is the place I do like to get fruit and veg from, Hickson and Daughter. But should we like look for some other ones, or is this the one? Because they do look pretty big. Okay, let's have a look. Basically, these lemons, look at this, guys. These are the kind of lemons we're looking for. Look at how big this lemon is. It's nearly as big as my head. Now, fun fact, I did work in Sorrento for 1 month. Nikki. I worked in Sorrento in a pastry shop called Pasticceria Don Pepe. It's not there anymore. It's incredible. But they had the biggest lemons in Sorrento, like 3 times as big as this. If you know, you know. So I think we're gonna get some lemons from here. It's like I've never been to a market before. Well, I don't want to pick them too big. Like, is this too big? Well, we're currently going through between oysters and then this fresh fish counter, and it reeks. We're actually going back around because there's another fruit and vegetable just next to the one we went to, and they have lemons too. We should have just got lemons from the supermarkets, which I guess what you guys will do, unless you live near Borough Market, then you can come and experience this. This used to have fruit and veg, but all I can see is juice. What the hell? What the hell? Oh my God, guys. Where are the lemons? We found the lemons. Maybe like this one. Hold on to those. You can smell pizza. Yes! Bag. They're selling risotto behind us. I only just had breakfast, so it's not risotto time yet. Lemons! Okay, now we've got to go and pay. We've got the lemons. Yes! If you want fresh food, a side of chaos, on a Tuesday morning, come to Borough Market, guys. They also sell merch. Caps, tote bags. Oh. Cheers. To the girls' weekend. Oh my God. Might start coming to Junkie. This one in Borough Market, guys, there's no queue. There was a bit of a queue. There was a bit of a queue. Welcome back to my digs. I brought you back home. This is my kitchen. We're just making a quick dessert because Sally, Nikki and I are gonna watch this week's Bake Off episode, of course, and we need something delicious, quick and easy to eat with that. These are the lemons that we bought at the market this morning. So to prepare them, cut them lengthways because we're gonna make the dessert in the lemon, of course. Lemon posset, what a better vessel to hold it than the actual fruit it's coming from. So we're just gonna do just like this. These are pretty big, but juicy. They look so good. And I need to keep this sticker because Nikki wants it for her journaling. So I'll put this here. It's really handy if you've got a really sharp knife because now we're gonna go around the edge, just like this, as close to the white pith as possible, like that, and then we'll just get a spoon and scoop out the middle. Yes, and that's what we're gonna get the juice from for the posset filling. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna do the rest. I was telling you, as I told you earlier on, I worked in Sorrento for a month when I was in college. It was amazing. Guys, literally, the bakery was a 30-second run around the corner from the hotel, which is perfect because we started at 8 in the morning, which isn't that early, but sometimes I don't want to admit it, but I'm going to have to for the purpose of the story. My timekeeping isn't all that, and so I would have the breakfast, run around the corner to the bakery, and be just on time for Conchetta. She'll be making the brioche donuts. That is the last lemon done. Super clean. You can scrape them as much as you want, but try and get as much out of there as possible so that when you eat the dessert, you don't get all the white pip in your mouth, you know? So the next thing, we're gonna prepare the filling. I've got a small saucepan here, and I've got some caster sugar and just some double cream. All going in. This is quite thick. I don't know what, I don't know what happened in the supermarket here. Go over to the hob. I'm gonna just put it on a medium heat, and we don't wanna bring it to a boil just until the cream and the sugar has warmed through. Give it a little bit of a stir. Okay, so the cream and the sugar is nicely heating through on the back. And now we're gonna juice the lemons that we got the insides of earlier on. Just got a little juicer here. And squeeze as much juice out of there as you can. Okay, we only need 55 grams of this lemon juice. So I'm just gonna weigh it out here in this small little bowl. 55, that's all we need. Told you, this is so simple, quick and easy. We only need 4 ingredients. The cream and sugar mixture is ready. So all we need to do now is just put this lemon juice into the saucepan, give it a little stir, and another lemon, that's right, because we've got lemon possets, and just zest 1 lemon into this mixture. That is all of the zest from the lemon. Now we'll just give this a little stir. We're gonna leave this for 5 minutes just to set and do its thing, and then we'll pour it into the half a lemons. I'm gonna do the washing up because that's what cooking at home with Dane is. I don't have a dishwasher. I don't have a dishwasher. Yeah. This lemon posset mixture has been sitting for around 5 minutes. I've got a jug. We're just gonna pass it through the sieve. Dessert like this, it should just be super smooth and no kind of bits to get in the way of that fine texture. I feel as if I put all this through, it might go over the edge. Nope, it's all good. All of that zest has imparted all of its flavor, so it's done its job now. It's done its job. Scrape a little bit underneath, and all that's left to do is just pour them into the shells. I put them on this really small sheet pan. This is from Nordic Ware. Shout out to Nordic Ware, because they are the best bakeware out there. I mean, they look really cool and they work really well. And this is the perfect size as well, because these shells are quite big. And if you have any shells that are kind of tilting a little bit, this is helping them all to stay tight. And this is the last one. And make sure that you fill them up right to the top as well. That's it. It's as simple as that. I'm gonna pop them into the fridge, and they take maybe about an hour to set. So do whatever you want. We'll be back in like 10 seconds, and then we can eat them and watch Bake Off. With some also savory snacks. I do need to make some room in the fridge though, to be honest. Oh! Okay, so I've put all the snacks out, but obviously we need the desserts, so I'm just gonna get them from the fridge. They've been in here about an hour and a half, and I'm just gonna finish them off. Just a little lemon rind on top. Now all we've got to do is just put a little zest on top in the middle. Look, I actually did just take some lemon rind off because we agreed, both of us, that it was a bit too much. Just 1 or 2 little strands is enough. And look, it's doing something. I'm gonna take these in. Sally should be here soon, and then we will get to watch the show all together. here. Hi! Oh my God, come on. We've got snacks. I made lemon possets. Nikki's here.
Yay, Nikki's here!
Look.
A spread.
Popcorn, tortilla chips, your favorite, and loads of dips. And then these lemon posset desserts too.
Gosh, they look good.
Yes.
Okay.
Let's go.
See what our fate brings us this week.
I know.
What should we eat then?
I feel like, well, unless you want some savoury
Oh.
things first, but I kind of want the
I want
possets.
to try what it is.
Let's go
Try
for
what
it.
it is. I've never even had a posset. They look good.
Yes.
I'm gonna hold it.
I'm going to put this on a plate in
Okay,
case
well,
I
I
squish.
like to
I've got this
see
squishy
you,
one.
Ooh, that's so
Ooh, it is.
Ooh.
Mmm. That's just set.
Whoa!
That is tangy.
In a really good way. That's so yummy.
Yeah.
I was a bit like, I don't really understand how this is going to make a dessert when I
And
saw
I
the
don't know how it's going to
ingredients
set. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Something to do with the acidity and all the science stuff. But
As you know, guys, if you've been watching Bake Off, we don't know what we're doing. Is this really yummy?
Yeah.
Well done, Nikki.
Thank you.
I think,
Yes.
Probably.
yes, Nikki did come up with it.
Did you actually just make this today?
Yeah, this literally took about 10 minutes to whip up and then just the chilling time in the fridge. It's really good.
Perfect dinner party. This
Exactly.
is actually my perfect dinner party. Like
Because there's not...
salty tortilla chips, M&S dips, crumbs
And
cookies, which are really small.
Tiny. Oh my gosh, well, if you want the recipe for this lemon posset so you can make it yourself, the recipe will be in the description box below, and you click on the link, you can buy the PDF downloadable recipe for this. But if you're a Bake Club member, patreon.com/Cupcake Jemma, you'll get it for free. So
Nice.
just check that out. You can have yourself a little lemon posset dessert situation whilst you're watching TV. If you want to see more videos like this, we love frolicking around, just giving you the fun times with a little bit of a recipe involved too. So like, subscribe, YouTubers, do your thing, comment below what you want to see next.
Let's do Come Dine With Me.
Yes.
No, because he'll just do like a Deliveroo or something.
I'll do Deliveroo. Come Dine With Me, they all befriend the local butcher, and then they don't care. They don't know the butcher before that show. They're just trying to.
I'd like to do that. Right, make some salt.
Bye. Bye.